Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a voluminous updo on short to medium length hair. Start by clipping off a few bits of face framing layers and then add a texture powder at the roots. I'll pop what I'm using in the description below for you. Then I'm going to take small slices of hair and just give it a gentle tease just to give the style a little bit of volume at the crown. So once you've teased a few sections, smooth it back with your comb. And I'm going to grab that back comb section and I'm going to smooth it out and bring it to the back of the head, and then I'm just going to grab the ends and twist them once. Then I'm going to secure it to the head through that twist with a bobby pin, and then I'm going to slip another bobby pin through underneath just to lock it in place. Make sure you crisscross those pins. Then I'm going to take a chunk of hair from the right hand side from the ear up. I'm going to smooth this out with my fingers and I'm going to pull it to the back left hand side of the head, give it a little twist and pin it in place, and then just do the same steps on the opposite side. Now I'm going to take the tail ends from that top section and I'm just going to smooth them out with my comb and slip a bobby pin about an inch away from the ends. And all I'm going to do is use my fingers to flip that bobby pin up and over my fingers to create a roll, and then I'm going to slide it in the hair just to cover those crisscross sections, and then lock it in place with another bobby pin from the opposite side. Now I'm going to take the same size section directly below that little loop and do the same steps. So slip your bobby pin on the end, roll it around your fingers, and then slide that bobby pin directly underneath that first little loop. Then lock it in place with another bobby pin going in the opposite direction. And then take the same size section below that and repeat the step again. So slip your bobby pin on, roll it over to create a loop and slide it into the hair, locking it in place with a second pin. Now with the rest of the hair, I'm going to secure it into a low ponytail using an elastic band. This just helps give it a little bit more control at the nape. And then we're going to do the same steps again. So slide your bobby pin onto the bottom of the hair, roll it around to create your loop, and then just slide it in and lock it with a second pin. Now all we're going to do is just push those side sections towards the head so you can't see through those loops, and secure them with a bobby pin or two, and then just repeat this on both sides of the head. Apply some texture spray to all those little looped sections. Again, I'll pop what I'm using in the description below, and then just spend a minute or so pinching and pulling each section for a little bit more messy volume. And then just to finish, I'm curling those front sections away from the face. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.